I am Dr. LVS Shanmuganathan, Erode of Tamil Nadu. When I was told by the new arrival of focusing vision IOL from Aurolab by long time back, I was expecting much from Vivid IOL. Now I realize the fact that it suits many of my patients. For example, around 25 to 30% of my Vivid patients received a visual acuity of 6.6 for distance and N6 for near, but others also received N8. I use this IOL irrespective of the job of the patient, and it's cost effective when compared to MNC company IOLs. And regarding the toric IOL from Aurolab, it has dual haptic, so because of that it has a good stability and gives good results when compared to other MNC companies in respect of cost factor. Thank you, one and all.